Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn what is the best way to show all your milestones in Primavera P6. A smart layout is the one which shows all of your project milestones together in a single WBS element right at the top of your project. This will enable the top management to view the main part of your schedule very easily. So you should add a WPS element called milestones at the top of the project. You can either cut and paste or move all your project's milestones to this WPS element. If your project schedule is of large size, it would be a tedious job to move all of your project milestones to this WPS element. So now in this tutorial, let's do this in a simpler way by using the global logic. First, let's open a fresh schedule. Before doing anything, make a copy of this schedule first. Now, create a new WPS element by going to WPS and click on this Add button to create a new WPS element, and let us name it as Milestones. And then going to the Activities tab, go to the menu bar now, go to Tools and select Global Logic. Click on this New button to create a new global change, and let's name it as Move Milestones. And now here in the If box, select any of the following here. Under Parameter, select Activity Type equals to, and under Value, select Start Milestone. Click Add and put again Activity Type equals to Finish Milestone. Okay. Now in the Then box, click Add. Under Parameter, select WPS equals to, under Value, select the newly added WPS element Milestones. Now click on this Change button. You will be getting the preview. Now click on this Commit Changes. Okay friends, now you can see all of your milestones getting moved under this WPS element Milestones. It's awesome, right? So in this way, you can move all your milestones, as this is the best way to show all of your milestones in Primavera P6. Okay friends, if you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.